Hey everybody, Tommy Pike here on this beautiful sunshiny quarantine Wednesday. With being quarantined like pretty much everybody else in the United States, we've been doing a little warehouse cleanup. And I'm kind of embarrassed that I'd forgotten that I actually own probably the single greatest car ever made, which is my 1984 Vet. So with no further ado, let's check out what we've got here in the warehouse. Here it is, my 1984 Chevrolet Chevette Diesel 4-speed. It's a 2-door, so it's got the right amount of doors. It's got a wonderful patina. The interior is to die for. I mean, this thing has it all. It's got the spinners that keep spinning. I mean, who doesn't want that? Right here, you come around here. They borrowed this diesel drivetrain from the Isuzu pickup truck. So this thing back in the mid-'80s was getting around 50 miles per gallon. And I think they're still struggling today to try to get those numbers. So what we're gonna do here, this has been sitting probably 5 or 6 years, maybe more. So we're gonna get a little ether, a little starting fluid, and get a little trusty dusty jump box, and we're gonna see if this thing will fire up for us. So stay tuned. All right, here we are. Got a little assistance here in the car. We're gonna try to see what this whole thing will do. And before we do that, when I bought it, this is what I had to do. I had to get a little bit of this, a little bit of the old starter fluid, and pull this little jobber here off. And I know we got stuff going on in the background here, but that's okay, because this is how it gets done around here. You just do it. You just get in here. Watch this. We don't need this. It's not something we need right now. All right, are you ready? All right, here we go. First hit. First hit. Like this anymore. First hit, every time. Of course, with a little bit of heat. So, stay tuned. We're going to give her a bath, clean her up, shine the tires, and we might show you some driving footage here in a minute. Point in front of the dock door right there. Mikey, I do want you to hit that door with some rustic in there, okay?